Start by understanding what a business model really is. At its core, a business model is a framework that explains how a company creates, delivers, and captures value. It's like the blueprint for how a business operates and makes money. This includes everything from who the customers are to what products or services are offered, and how the company earns revenue. A clear business model helps organizations stay focused and competitive in the market. In the next scenes, we'll break down the key components and see how they work together. Value creation is at the heart of every business model. It's all about what makes a company's product or service useful to its customers. This could be solving a problem, fulfilling a need, or providing something unique that customers can't get elsewhere. Companies must clearly define their value proposition to stand out in the market. By understanding what customers truly want, businesses can tailor their offerings and ensure long-term success. Next, we'll look at how this value is delivered to customers. Once a company knows what value it offers, the next step is delivering that value to customers. This involves the channels and methods used to reach customers, such as online platforms, physical stores, or direct sales teams. Efficient delivery ensures that customers receive products or services in a way that meets their expectations. Companies often use a mix of channels to maximize their reach and convenience. Let's move on to see how capturing value fits into the business model. Capturing value is all about how a business turns its efforts into profit. This means setting up revenue streams, ways the company gets paid for its products or services. It could be through direct sales, subscriptions, licensing, or advertising. The goal is to ensure that the company not only covers its costs but also generates enough profit to grow and sustain itself. Next, we'll explore the importance of understanding cost structure. Every business has costs, and understanding these is crucial for success. Cost structures outline all the expenses involved in running the business, from manufacturing and marketing to salaries and rent. By analyzing costs, companies can find ways to operate more efficiently and increase their margins. A well-balanced cost structure helps businesses stay competitive and resilient, even in tough times. Now let's look at how revenue streams and cost structures work together. Balancing revenue streams and cost structures is key to a healthy business model. Companies must ensure that the money coming in from customers is greater than the money going out for expenses. This balance determines profitability and long-term sustainability. By regularly reviewing both sides, businesses can adjust their strategies to maximize profits and minimize losses. Next, we'll dive into different types of business models found in the real world. Uncommon business model is the product-based model. Here, companies create physical or digital products and sell them directly to customers. Think of electronics manufacturers, clothing brands, or software companies. The focus is on producing high-quality goods that meet customer needs. Success depends on efficient production, effective marketing, and strong distribution channels. In the next scene, we'll look at service-based business model. Service-based business models focus on providing intangible value, such as consulting, education, or maintenance. These companies rely on skilled professionals to deliver expertise or support to clients. The key is building strong relationships and trust with customers. Service businesses often use contracts or ongoing agreements to ensure steady revenue. Next, we'll explore the subscription model, which has become increasingly popular. Subscription models have gained popularity in recent years. Companies offer products or services on a recurring basis, such as streaming platforms, software as a service, or subscription boxes. Customers pay a regular fee and businesses benefit from predictable revenue streams. This model encourages long-term relationships and customer loyalty. In the next scene, we'll discuss the freemium model and how it works. Freemium model offers basic services for free while charging for premium features. This approach is common in digital products like apps and online tools. The idea is to attract a large user base with free access, then convert some users to paid plans for advanced functionality. It's a balance between accessibility and profitability. Next, we'll look at marketplace models and how they connect buyers and sellers. Marketplace models create platforms where buyers and sellers can connect and transact. Examples include e-commerce sites, ride-sharing apps, and freelance job boards. The platform typically earns revenue through transaction fees or commissions. Success depends on attracting both sides of the market and ensuring smooth, secure transactions. Next, we'll explore franchise models and how they enable business expansion. Franchise models allow businesses to expand by licensing their brand and operations to independent owners. Think of fast food chains or retail stores. The franchisor provides support, training, and brand recognition, while franchisees invest in and operate individual locations. This model enables rapid growth with lower capital risk for the parent company. Next, we'll discuss licensing models and how they generate revenue. Licensing models involve granting other companies the right to use intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, or technology. The licensor earns revenue through licensing fees or royalties. This approach is common in technology, entertainment, and fashion industries. Licensing allows companies to monetize their innovations without directly producing or selling products. Next, we'll look at direct sales models and their unique features. Direct sales models focus on selling products or services directly to customers, often bypassing traditional retail channels. This can include door-to-door sales, online direct-to-consumer brands, or network marketing. The advantage is greater control over the customer experience and higher profit margins. However, it requires strong marketing and customer relationship skills. Next, we'll explore the advertising model and how it generates income. Advertising models generate revenue by offering space or attention to advertisers. This is common in media, websites, and social platforms. The business attracts users with free content or services, then sells advertising opportunities to brands looking to reach those users. The key is building a large, engaged audience. Next, we'll discuss affiliate models and how they work in the digital age. Affiliate models involve promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated. This is popular with bloggers, influencers, and review sites. The affiliate shares links or recommendations, and when users make a purchase, the affiliate earns a fee. It's a low-risk way to monetize content and reach new audiences. Next, we'll look at brokerage models and their role in business. Brokerage models connect buyers and sellers, facilitating transactions for a fee. Real estate agents, stockbrokers, and travel agencies are classic examples. The broker provides expertise, access, and convenience, earning a commission on each deal. This model thrives on trust and market knowledge. Next, we'll explore the razor and blades model and its unique approach to pricing. Razor and blades model sells a primary product at a low price, then makes profits from selling complementary consumables. Think of razors and replacement blades or printers and ink cartridges. This approach locks customers into repeat purchases, creating steady revenue over time. It's a clever way to build long-term customer relationships. Next, we'll discuss crowdsourcing models and how they leverage community power. Crowdsourcing models tap into the collective power of a community to create value. This could involve funding projects, generating ideas, or solving problems. Platforms like Kickstarter or open-source software communities are great examples. The business benefits from diverse input and shared resources, often with lower costs. Next, we'll look at peer-to-peer models and their impact on traditional industry. Peer-to-peer P2P models connect individuals directly, bypassing traditional intermediaries. Examples include ride-sharing, home rentals, and lending platforms. These models empower users to share resources and services, often at lower costs. Trust and technology are key to making P2P models work smoothly. Next, we'll discuss hybrid models that combine elements from different approaches. Hybrid business models blend features from multiple traditional models to create unique value propositions. For example, a company might combine subscription and advertising models, or mix product sales with services. This flexibility allows businesses to adapt to changing markets and customer preferences. Next, we'll explore the importance of innovation in business models. Innovation is essential for staying competitive. Companies that regularly rethink and update their business models can respond to new technologies, customer needs, and market trends. This might mean adopting digital platforms, exploring new revenue streams, or reimagining how value is delivered. Next, we'll look at the role of technology in shaping modern business models. Technology has transformed the way businesses operate. From e-commerce platforms to cloud computing and artificial intelligence, tech enables new ways to create, deliver, and capture value. Companies that leverage technology can streamline operations, reach wider audiences, and offer innovative products or services. Next, we'll discuss the importance of customer focus in business models. Successful business model always put the customer at the center. Understanding customer needs, preferences, and behaviors helps companies design better products and services. Customer feedback and data analysis guide continuous improvement. By staying close to their audience, businesses can build loyalty and long-term success. Next, we'll look at how partnerships can enhance business model. Partnerships can strengthen a business model by providing access to new markets, technologies, or expertise. Collaborating with other companies, suppliers, or even competitors can create win-win situations. Strategic alliances help businesses scale faster and share risks. Next, we'll discuss scalability and why it matters for business models. Scalability refers to a business model's ability to grow without a proportional increase in costs. Scalable models can handle more customers, transactions, or products with minimal extra resources. This is especially important for startups and tech companies aiming for rapid growth. Next, we'll look at sustainability and its growing importance in business models. Sustainability is becoming a key consideration for modern business models. Companies are increasingly focused on minimizing environmental impact, using ethical practices, and supporting communities. Sustainable models not only benefit society but also attract conscious consumers and investors. Next, we'll discuss risk management and its role in business success. Every business model faces risks, from market changes to operational challenges. Effective risk management involves identifying potential threats and developing strategies to mitigate them. This could include diversifying revenue streams, building strong relationships, or investing in insurance. Next, we'll look at the importance of adaptability in business models. Adaptability is crucial for long-term success. Markets, technologies, and customer preferences are always changing. Businesses that can pivot and adjust their models quickly are more likely to thrive. This might mean launching new products, entering new markets, or changing pricing strategies. Next, we'll discuss the role of leadership in shaping business models. Strong leadership is essential for developing and executing a successful business model. Leaders set the vision, make strategic decisions, and inspire teams to achieve goals. They also drive innovation and ensure the company adapts to changes. Next, we'll look at how company culture influences business models. Company culture shapes how a business operates and interacts with customers. A positive, innovative culture encourages employees to contribute ideas and take initiative. This can lead to better products, improved services, and a stronger brand. Next, we'll discuss the importance of continuous learning in business models. Continuous learning keeps a business model relevant. Companies that invest in employee development, market research, and new technologies can adapt faster and outperform competitors. Learning organizations are always looking for ways to improve and innovate. Next, we'll look at the role of data in shaping business models. Data is a powerful tool for refining business models. By analyzing customer behavior, market trends, and operational performance, companies can make informed decisions. Data-driven strategies help businesses identify opportunities, reduce risks, and optimize processes. Next, we'll discuss the importance of feedback loops in business models. Feedback loops allow businesses to learn from their customers and environment. By collecting and acting on feedback, companies can improve products, services, and processes. This ongoing dialogue helps businesses stay aligned with customer needs and market changes. Next, we'll look at the role of experimentation in business model evolution. Experimentation is key to discovering what works best. Businesses often test new ideas, products, or processes on a small scale before rolling them out widely. This approach reduces risk and encourages innovation. By learning from both successes and failures, companies can refine their business models over time. Next, we'll discuss the importance of clear communication within organizations. Clear communication within a company ensures everyone understands the business model and their role in executing it. Regular meetings, transparent updates, and open feedback channels help align teams and drive results. Effective communication builds trust and fosters collaboration. Next, we'll look at the role of external communication in business models. External communication shapes how customers, partners, and investors perceive the business. Clear messaging about the company's value proposition, mission, and offerings builds trust and attracts support. Consistent branding and public relations are essential for maintaining a positive reputation. Next, we'll discuss the importance of legal and regulatory compliance. Legal and regulatory compliance is a must for any business model. Companies must follow laws related to labor, safety, taxes, and industry standards. Noncompliance can lead to fines, lawsuits, or reputational damage. Staying informed and proactive helps businesses avoid legal pitfalls. Next, we'll look at the importance of financial planning in business models. Financial planning ensures a business model is viable and sustainable. This includes budgeting, forecasting, and managing cash flow. Strong financial management helps companies invest wisely, weather downturns, and seize growth opportunities. Next, we'll discuss the role of performance metrics in tracking business model success. Performance metrics help businesses measure the effectiveness of their model. Key indicators might include revenue growth, customer retention, or market share. Regularly tracking these metrics allows companies to identify strengths, address weaknesses, and make data-driven decisions. Next, we'll look at the importance of benchmarking against competitors. Benchmarking involves comparing your business model's performance to industry standards or competitors. This helps identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. By learning from the best, companies can adopt proven strategies and avoid common pitfalls. Next, we'll discuss the importance of agility in today's fast-paced business environment. Agility means being able to respond quickly to changes in the market or environment. Agile businesses can pivot strategies, launch new products, or enter new markets faster than competitors. This flexibility is a major advantage in today's rapidly changing world. Next, we'll look at the role of vision and mission in guiding business models. Clear vision and mission provide direction for the business model. They define what the company stands for and where it wants to go. This clarity helps align teams, attract customers, and inspire innovation. Next, we'll discuss the importance of reviewing and updating business models regularly. Business models are not set in stone. Regular reviews help companies stay relevant and competitive. By assessing performance, market trends, and customer feedback, businesses can make timely adjustments. This proactive approach ensures long-term success. In our final scene, we'll summarize the key takeaways from this journey through business models. Wrap up: a business model is the foundation of any successful company. It defines how value is created, delivered, and captured. By understanding revenue streams, cost structures, and the many types of models available, businesses can choose the best path forward. Remember, adaptability, innovation, and a customer-centric approach are essential for long-term growth. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of business model.